With the effects of COVID-19, many people self-isolate for their safety. It's often challenging for people to find someone to talk to or have any sort of communication. Going through this is extremely frustrating for everybody, and to some people, it can be extremely challenging. It's an awful experience, and my team is proud to present our solution, which aims to help make it better for everyone. According to the studies by USC's Marshall School of Business, one-on-one conversations are greatly helpful to reducing stress and anxiety, and it's no secret that humans need social contact. In the last 24 hours, we've built upon this, creating our solution, Bot Dilemma, an interactive, creative, social experience where users get to enjoy having interesting conversations with others on a shared network, but with a twist, Turing test style. It focuses on making people feel more connected to the outside world while keeping it interesting each and every time you play. Once you log in or sign up, you're greeted with the homepage where you can see your stats or begin a new game. Our hack uses Firebase Off to ensure that your email and password are safely protected. But back to the functionality. Bot Dilemma is in essence a game where you enter a chat room with either another player or an artificially intelligent robot. You won't know. The idea behind it is that the user must determine whether their partner is human or not, while also avoiding making it too obvious for your own opponent. It creates quite an intriguing scenario. You can ask interesting questions, exchange information, and try new strategies to figure out your opponent. But make sure you don't get too pushy with what you say. Remember, your opponent is analyzing every word you say. Each session with a bot is completely random and different, since each is given a different persona or personality/background. And for human interactions, of course, each will be unique. Our robot's artificial intelligence algorithm, based off of Facebook's Blender architecture, has 90 million parameters that enable it to reciprocate slang, mood, context, and much more. So you better watch out. It's much harder than it might seem. While you think you've figured it out, click on the answer you believe to be correct, and you'll receive points if you're correct. Importantly, you also receive points if you've tricked your opponent, but even more so for holding a more deep conversation, because that's really the main purpose of the app at the end of the day, meaningful human interaction. Once you've finished up, go check out the leaderboard standings, where you can see the highest scores from across the world, or see where you rank personally. This way, you can compete with friends and family to see who's really the best. You can continuously play as much as you'd like, so you can learn as many new ways as possible to win, all while having some fun conversing with many new people along the way. It's not just about points. Our app aims to help users appreciate different people for who they are and gain a deeper insight into what it means to be human. At the end of the day, we wanted to say that the attempt with Bot Dilemma was to take something technically advanced, our complex AI algorithm, and spin it in a super creative way such that it can improve living for those by themselves, help with mental issues, make some connections, and most of all, have some fun. We want to continue building upon our work here, finding new features, making our chatbot more robust, and truly taking our app to perfection so that we can truly achieve all these things in the real world. Quite frankly, we're really impressed with what we've made, and we're excited and thankful we get to submit to Oxford Hack 2020. Thanks for listening, and stay safe.